Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking the research question and outcomes so extraction is consistent. Once done, create inclusion criteria and register them. This avoids bias later. Make a rapid pilot search in one database to test keywords, then refine your strategy. At the same time, prepare a data extraction sheet to capture study ID, sample sizes, means, SDs, or effect sizes. Start extracting a single study to validate the workflow. That first pass reveals practical issues fast. You now extract numeric results and methodological variables in a consistent template. Convert reported stats into the same effect metric. For example, transform T, F, or raw means into hedges G, because pooling requires commensurate units. Next, assess risk of bias and code moderators like age, dose, or follow-up time so you can test heterogeneity. Use a random effects model when studies differ. Meanwhile, run sensitivity checks to see how single studies influence pooled effects. You pool effects and examine heterogeneity. Report I2, Tau2, and the pooled estimate with CI so readers understand precision. Once pooled, run sensitivity analyses and inspect funnel plots for small study bias, then perform subgroup or metaregression on coded moderators to explain variance. Make tables for methods, included studies, and results. Interpret clinical versus statistical significance and state limitations. Troubleshooting tip: if heterogeneity remains high, reach out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.